Hello folks, this is Greg the Peninsula Treasure Hunter, and today's is August 13th, 2025. I'm here with the Tersace MDT 8000 and my demonstration card called Foil Deception. And what we're going to demonstrate is what frequency does to tin foil and how to get around tin foil in some of the cases. This applies to all detectors. Higher frequencies, you're going to find more tin foil in general. Lower frequencies go a little bit deeper, more responsive on your silver coinage. So right now I've got the Tersace MDT 8000 at its highest frequency. That's 18 kilohertz. We're in the all metal mode, -2 in the threshold. Ground balance is at 792, sensitivity at 1. For EMI, I got the black sand filter on. And here we go over the foil. Gold nugget. Gold ring. Now, I want to get rid of the foil because when you're digging a lot of that small junk foil, you're wasting a lot of time and energy. And I know Dan, the Monterey Magnet Man, if I got that correct, so he's complaining about energy and time. So sometimes time isn't on our side. At any rate, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower the frequency to 6.4 kilohertz. I've also raised the salt balance to 48. Now let's see what that does to our tin foil samples, our ring, and our nugget. Here we go. How about the ring? Loud and clear. How about the nugget? Not loud, it's there though. You're not going to miss that. Now, if I keep the salt salinity balance at 48, let's see what happens when we go back up from 6.4 kilohertz to 18. So I'm going to highlight the frequency all the way up to 18 kilohertz. So tin foil. This is what salinity balance at, it defaulted back to 0. So let's do something about that. Okay, 48. Now, it's at 48 on salinity balance, and no other detector can do this. So I can now, you can see that higher frequency, even with the salinity balance, is picking up these tin foil, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be, but it is to be expected because you're using high frequency. Now, also the response on the gold nugget would be improved regardless of the angle, and of course the gold ring's no problem. But I can further tweak that by going to dropping the threshold down. To do that, you got to highlight the threshold, Let's drop it down all the way to 9. Now watch. Go ring. No foil. Oh, I got a peep there. Let's try the gold nugget. Still got that gold nugget. And, you know, prospecting, I would tweak these settings a little bit. But that's my point, folks. Higher frequencies love that tin foil, and you can eliminate a lot of that trash signal with the Versace by upping the salinity balance, which we have now at 48. Come on, focus. I got more jets coming in. So, I mean, that ends the video today. Any questions, always feel free to contact me. See you later.